So guys, a big part of our morning routine is our breakfast. We always make sure to have some eggs. As you guys know, eggs has a lot of protein, but besides that, it has vitamin A and vitamin E. So we have eggs every single morning with a side of sausage. If you watched our supplements video, you'd know biotin is one of our daily supplements. We usually take 2 tablets because that is the recommended dose. Our next daily supplement is collagen. We usually take 4 tablets, which is a lot, so we recommend you using collagen shakes if you don't like taking tablets.
Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I'm Jessica
and I'm Jennifer,
and today we're showing you guys our morning routine. So basically we've just woken up like a couple of hours ago, and as you guys have seen, we had our breakfast, we've taken our vitamins, which we will really recommend to take your daily vitamins. We run out of vitamin C, so we weren't able to, but this is a pandemic, so we recommend you also take vitamin C.
Never skip a day of vitamin C. That really helps your immune system.
Yes. So now we're just going to get into detangling our hair. I've taken my hair out of my protective style that I usually wear overnight, which is a very loose bun, and it kind of gives me just a few deep waves. But I've taken that out, and you took out your protective
I had
style.
a protective hairstyle that I had all weekend. Usually if I'm not going anywhere during the weekend, I put my hair in a protective hairstyle. So I actually had like 4 braids that I had, and I moisturized my hair. So I've just taken out those braids. As you can see, my hair is quite frizzy. I detangled it with rose water, and I took out the braids. So now I'm ready to style my hair for the day. So I'm going to be doing a protective hairstyle today. Most of the times when I'm running out and about, going to the bank or going out for work, I like to have my hair in a protective hairstyle, especially because the tips of my hair have been struggling lately. Since I did the last trim, I decided to do protective hairstyles moving forward. So I'm going to have my hair in a slicked back bun.
Yeah, and I'm going to have my hair in a low ponytail. It's my favorite hairstyle. It's my favorite low manipulation hairstyle. It just keeps me looking chic and sleek, but it doesn't allow my hair to like be frizzed up during the day or my ends to be exposed.
Yes. So the product we're going to be using is first our trusted rose water.
You guys know we're so obsessed with rose water.
We're just obsessed with it, but if you have low porosity hair, you would get where we're coming from. This just moisturizes your hair. This just moisturizes your hair in the easiest way because it's water-based.
Yeah, and it really detangles your hair as well.
Yeah, it just gets right there to soften up your hair. We are actually post-relaxer for almost 3 months, but you wouldn't really be able to tell with all the water-based products we use. So we're going to be using rose water, and to help us slick down our edges properly, we usually use aloe vera. So this aloe vera is really cute. It comes in like an aloe vera leaf shape. I got it from my local grocery store, so I can't actually tell you guys where you could possibly get
this brand.
Yeah, because I think it's directly from China. It's written in half Chinese, but it's like, it smells like the fresh aloe vera plant.
Yeah, it smells fresh.
It smells super fresh, and it's so water-based, which just helps us slick down our edges and everything.
If you're looking for a healthy alternative rather than using gels that have chemicals, I would say use aloe vera to slick down your edges.
Yes. So once we use aloe vera, we are just going to add a little bit of gloss or oil to our hair, and then we will scarf it down and get ready for the day.
See when I ride out, bumble.
It's Feekills.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. It's got to be. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them I come, them I feel alive. One by one, them I step in on me yard, them I enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, go low. Man I tell them me them go slow. Them I feeling on my vibe and see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, Batman on the show now. Oh yeah, see the girl them go down. Ooh wee, and a Batman run the show, now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run nigga. One nigga say really one nigga.
Now me all I'm sick.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me na run
I never. Them a girls, them a coming over. Aye. Bad man, me I wanna lover. Aye. Girl come, them a be my lover. Bad man, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a never count time. One time, me I never waste time. Them a girl, them a come, them a try my time. Ooh, ooh. Man a telling me they go, go. See the girl, them a slow, slow. Bad man on the road, road. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the showdown. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. And a bad man run the show. And a bad man run the show now. Yeah.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me a round digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Now me a dance.
Gold digger, she a gold digger. Man figure, me a round digger. One nigga say really one digger.
Call me emergency. Original Batman. One time. He's butty baby. Vicus, mix and mix it. Yeah, no. Leg up.
Now that we've slicked down our hair, we both chose the side parting. This is our favorite parting. It just suits our face. We're going to now scarf down our hair to make sure it's sleek and nice and chic. So we're going to slick it down and get ready to leave the house. Yes.
See when I ride a bumble.
It's FAIRCARE.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. He's butty baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive.
So guys, we've actually had the scarf on our edges for 15 minutes just to have it nice and slick. So now I'm just going to go in with our growth oil and just put a little bit of it on my scalp, or just to gloss up my hair.
Them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2. Ooh, yeah. Go low. Man a tell him, me then go slow. Them a feeling on my vibe and see the girl, them go down. Ooh wee. Bad man on the show now. Oh yeah. See the girl, them go.
So guys, this is the final look. It's just a very simple, chic hairstyle that we just love to do.
Yes.
It's an amazing protective hairstyle, a low manipulation hairstyle, and it's just very easy for us to wear our hair like this and run errands. So this is just pretty much what we do on a daily basis now. Sometimes we do let our hair out, but right now we're just going through a protective hairstyle phase.
So usually when it's really hot outside, we do spray a bit of heat protectant on our hair.
Yeah.
Today isn't that hot and we're going to be in the car most of the day, so we're just going to go out there. But if you live in a really hot climate, you could spray heat protectant on your hair before you leave the house.
Yes.
So now we're just going to get ready to leave the house. Thank you guys so much for watching.
Yeah, it was fun filming this video. It's just different because it's different from our usual routine. It's just showing you like what we do in the morning when we get up and how we get our hair ready when we're going out.
Yeah.
If you like these type of videos, comment down below if you'd like to see more lifestyle kind of videos like this.
Yeah.
And we'll film them for you guys.
Also, let us know what you do for your morning routine, what you do to your hair before you leave the house. Let us know in the comment section below.
Yes.
If you enjoyed this video, do give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed, please subscribe. We'd really like you to join our family,
and we'll see you guys in our next video.
Bye.
See when I ride a bumble.
It's FAIRCARE.
One time.
Standard.
Baby. One time. He's butty baby. Lego. Passing the prime. Them girls, them a come, them a feel alive. One by one. Them a step in on me yard, them a enter, them be 2 by 2.